So my first egg. I'm surprised because for how many days the sun doesn't show up, and I thought they will not mate because I haven't seen one mating. Anyway, I'm busy doing my some bean, so I haven't noticed that they have mated already. So they are at around 200 plus already. So some were hiding in that flower. So my egg collector, and I forgot lots of big larva here, the brown one covered, and that clay pot also. So you can see one newly hatched. So at around 300 still in there, 300 larvas waiting to hatch. So this is my new Lidan bean. So it's different from the first bean I made with the ventilation, which is Coca-Cola bottle. But I think this is much better because it's bigger, so the flies can't go inside. But this first bean is have two collectors for the larva to go out. So here, and the other side. So that bottle is for the juice I haven't collected for today. So the what's inside the larva in here, I just transferred this one in here. So jackfruit, so I transferred him here. So oh my god, some larvas are gone already. I just so there are at least I don't know, 500 larvas. So more vacant. I done this because for the next 2 to 3 months this will be filled already. That's one side collector. I haven't put some bottle shit in there yet. So this one also. So I hang the old soy manure. So during night time they will crawl down. So they will go back here. So I have lots, so I have no problem feeding them because almost every other day I collected the fruits from the fruit store. So there's still one pineapple here, maybe given the next 2 days. So this is my full shot of my breeding house, and my bin. So these are the food suppliers for the larva. They'll give birth by tomorrow. So there are some few. These sacks were all swine manure, but I'm shocked when we get some humus here to be put to the plants. I found out I think 11 larvae here from here. So every morning I get some there on the ground, and this is my small nipa hut. So I used to sit here, drink my coffee, and get some larvae for bait. I catch tilapia here. Yeah. So there are lots of tilapia in here. So it's a very good place. Sit here and then drink coffee and watch them. So on that side, chickens and turkeys. On the more far side, I have a house of turkeys also, and plan to raise some native Basilan chicken, the bigger ones. So that's it for now. Have a nice day, Woody.